toes right now. My feet are ugly.
That's funny. Feet are ugly. Like, what do you think people think about this?
I don't know.
Feet are ugly in general. I'm glad you said that. Like, I don't know. I just like see if you can cut the video in half or something. 4 minutes. I don't know. I can send that to my phone because I have Dropbox. Facebook is, you can't send it on Facebook because I tried sending it to your email.
Fun, are you a pretty boy?
Oh my god, you gotta make me gay.
Hey.
Alright, you wanna finish watching this episode?
Did you watch any of it?
I did, but I gotta fast forward it.
Thunder Buddy.
I just fast forwarded it. No, somewhere shut up in here. What do you do?
He sneezed.
What was that?
I just got him on camera sneezing twice.
He sneezed.
Twice. Oh, he's walking away with it.